So for anybody looking at this video in the future, I'm watching this kind of silly YouTube video about the Mandela effect, and they said that in the new diagrams, our heart is in the center of our chest, like this picture right here. But I've always thought that the heart was on the left-hand side, which is why we put our hand over our heart. And we put our hand over our left breast. So here's the funny thing. Some of these diagrams show it mostly towards the left. And of course, this picture's reversed, so the right-hand side would be where the left is. This one shows it pretty accurately how I recall. More on the left side of your chest. But interestingly enough, some of these, and this one still has it mostly on the left, but some of these images are already changing it, like this one. This one has it in the direct center of the chest. Does this mean that the Mandela effect is happening as I record this? So that the diagrams are going to slowly shift the heart to the center of the chest, as is shown in this picture that I've already shown? But it's crazy because even now, as I'm looking at it, some of these images, and I haven't looked at all of them, but some of these images have it more in the center, like this one, this 3D looking picture here. So is this a Mandela effect? I love conspiracy theories. Everybody who knows me knows that. But this is kind of crazy because if this changes, and in, let's say, a couple of weeks, all of a sudden the heart is no longer in the left-hand side of the chest like this one, you can see it's right in the very center, or almost exactly in the center. Okay, so Mandela effect taking place in real time. This one's a little bit to the left, but it's almost dead center. So what's the story, folks? I had never heard this before, and I'm just making this video because, like I said, I'm watching this video right now on YouTube. That one has it more on the left, but this is a 3D model. It's not even a real person, so kind of hard to say. That one's more on the left. So what's the deal? Is the Mandela effect taking place in real time right now? Is this video going to change at some point? Is there a difference between the male perspective and the female perspective? No, because this one looks more centered here. What about this female? Female more towards the middle. This diagram, a little bit slightly more left than right anyway. So what do y'all think about this? Anybody else remember it always being on the left-hand side? That's the way I always remember it. It's why we put our hand over our heart when we say the Pledge of Allegiance, and it's our right hand over the left chest or breast. Wow, look at this one. This one's way over there. Unless this picture's backwards, which it's not because the text here is like that. But look at where the heart is. It's even actually moving more to the right-hand side. Unless this person is unusual. All of these newer pictures show the heart mostly in the center. Kind of bizarre.